Welcome back to my channel, where we're all about keeping your hair healthy and beautiful. Today, we'll be discussing a crucial topic: how to handle wet hair to prevent damage and breakage. So let's get into it. Use a wide-toothed comb or detangling brush. When your hair is wet, it's at its most vulnerable state. Start by using a wide-toothed comb or a detangling brush to gently work through any knots and tangles. Begin at the tips of your hair and work your way up to the roots. This minimizes the risk of hair breakage. Be cautious with towel drying. Many of us vigorously rub our hair with a towel after washing, but this can lead to unnecessary friction and damage. Instead, opt for a soft, microfiber towel or even an old cotton t-shirt. Pat and squeeze your hair gently to remove excess moisture. This method is much kinder to your locks. Apply a leave-in conditioner. To protect your wet hair from damage, consider applying a leave-in conditioner or a detangling spray. These products help to add moisture, reduce frizz, and provide a protective barrier against heat styling or environmental factors. Avoid heat styling. Wet hair is more susceptible to damage from heat styling tools like hairdryers, straighteners, or curling irons. If possible, let your hair air dry naturally. If you must use heat, opt for the lowest temperature setting and maintain a safe distance to minimize heat-related damage. Consider air drying. Air drying is one of the gentlest ways to dry your hair. It may take a bit more time, but it significantly reduces the risk of damage and breakage. If you can, let your hair dry naturally by avoiding heat altogether. Handling wet hair with care is essential to maintain its health and prevent breakage and damage. By using the right tools, being gentle during the drying process, and minimizing heat exposure, you'll keep your locks looking fabulous and healthy. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks.